back again. Break number 2. This opening day, I don't know what we're gonna call it. Value box. We'll call it a value box. So we got 17 packs total. I love opening day this year so far. We're Philly hunting again, baby. It's beautiful out. No more barking dogs. And of course, I'm accompanied by the one, the only, the beautiful Sam. So here we go. Box opening day. Look for autographs and relics. Now hopefully we get something out of there. As you might be wondering, where am I? I'm in my beautiful backyard in Delaware County. If you can't smell the depression or the beer, you don't live here. So we got this pretty sick opening day red parallels. And oh boy, here we go. No relic it looks like, but who knows, maybe an autograph. Hopefully we get a Philly out of one of them packs. Only gonna show the stars and some shout out cards. So we're starting off with a Will Smith. Not getting jiggy with it. The Giants pitcher version. Ozzie Albies. Ooh, we got a blue in here. Ooh, that is really sick. Ryan Yarbrough blue. Rookie Cup. That's not numbered. Shout out to Pepino and your man. And Max Muncy. And that's that pack. Not a horrible start, even though I don't know who Ryan Yarbrough is. Go grab some more coffee. Notice how quiet it got now after that shut off. Now some Albert in your Pujols. We got 150 years of baseball, Joe Morgan. And a Double Herrera. And Scooter Gennett. And a fire truck going around. I don't know if you guys can pick up on that, but hopefully it doesn't get blazing loud. Correa. Luis Servino. Eddie Rosario. Shout out to Dustin and Blake. If you need that, let me know. And base. Gotta get a little quick here. We got 18 packs to open. There we go. Jake Arrieta. Babe Ruth. And base. So far pretty successful in Philly hunting. If I do say so myself. Bogart, shout out to Jay McGillicuddy. Braves opening day. And base. Yachty and a Lindor. Martinez, 150 years of fun. Shout out to the closet Red Sox fan, Madden Crazed Heights fan. Another Philly, Mike Franco. Corey Seager. And she let herself out again. That's nice. And Jeff McNeil. Shout out to Salt Dog. Andrew Moss. What are you going for? Come here. She ran away from me. Jorge Polanco and Noah Syndergaard. Matt Kemp. Christian Yelich, AL MVP. Ichiro. God. Got this nice team traditions of the Padres. Very underrated in my opinion, David Price. And also very underrated, Max Scherzer. He doesn't get all the love that I think he deserves to get for being as great of a pitcher as he is, Scherzer, in my opinion. Got JD. 150 years, Cal Ripken. Aaron Judge. And base. That actually wasn't that bad of a pack right there. That's pretty decent. Santana, back on the Indians. Oh, man. Kyle Gibson. And everyone's favorite Brave, Freddie Freeman. That guy. Got the Mook. Shout out to Ed on his Mookie hunt. Got Jim Palmer. Willie Adames Rookie Cup. Miguel Andujar Rookie Cup. Alright, we got 4 more. Do we hit the big one? I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. Now I'm just looking for a Reese. And I think that's everybody in this set. Another blue, Jordan Zimmerman. The opening day of them, the Mutts. There's the Mutt barking again. Dakota Hudson rookie. And Evan Longoria. Forget who. I'm pretty sure there's somebody on here that collects Evan Longoria. Yeah, I'm stacking my cards up in front of the camera. So if it starts to pile up, I'll move them over. Mr. Baseball, Mike Trout. Sandy Koufax, 150 years. And Jose Abreu. Got Pirate Parrot. Dansby Swanson. Andrew Benintendi. And Alex Bregman. Alright, one more pack left until we see what everybody really wanted to see. Alright, we got Cedric Mullins rookie. We got a Ronald Acuna, 150 years. We got a Kyle Freeland. A card that should be in a Phillies uni. Bryce Harper. Love this guy. And Yusei Kikuchi. I think that's the big Japanese phenom. Or Korean. Nope, that is Japan. So I think I'm pretty sure he's the big guy. Alright, so that's the last pack of all the base stuff. Let's get to the red parallels. Already got a good one. Ooh, they look beautiful. Look at these.
That's nice as shit.
Don't they look nice? Alright, we'll slow roll here. Rick Porcello. Get jiggy with it. There we go. Ozzy Albies. Gregory Polanco. Billy Hamilton. Jose Abreu. That's pretty sick. And to end out the cards, Dansby Swanson. Ooh, are they all in numerical order? No, just the last two. Oh, we did get the first card in the set, though. That's pretty sweet. So, there you go, guys. Back-to-back baseball breaks. Crazy, isn't it? Back-to-back-to-back baseball breaks. So, there you have it. That's what you can possibly find in an opening day value box. Like, comment, subscribe. Go Panthers. Stay tuned for, you know, my little anxious baby here to make her YouTube debut. Have a good one, guys. Peace.